Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate dropshipping metrics with DataFeedWatch step by step clearly. To get started with automating dropshipping metrics using DataFeedWatch, first, sign in to your DataFeedWatch account. If you don't have an account, create one on their website. Next, navigate to the Feed section from the main dashboard. Add a new feed by clicking on the Create Feed button. Select your e-commerce platform from the list provided. Once you've chosen your platform, enter the necessary details for your store. This includes your store's URL and any required API keys. After entering your store details, click Next to proceed. Now, you will see options for customizing your feed. Choose the metrics you want to track, such as inventory levels and sales performance. Configure the field mappings to ensure data aligns properly with your metrics. You can set up filters to exclude any unwanted products from your feed. Continue by clicking on Next to save your settings. In this stage, set the frequency of data updates for your feed. Select daily, weekly, or a custom schedule depending on your needs. After this, you will reach the Schedule section. This is where you can choose the best time for data extraction. Now, review all the settings you've configured for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click Save to finalize your feed. Next, navigate to the Metrics section to enable automated metrics tracking. Choose the relevant metrics you want to monitor continuously. Set any necessary alerts to notify you of significant changes in your data. It's also beneficial to set benchmarks for each of your metrics. With everything set up, you can monitor your dropshipping performance automatically. Lastly, regularly log into your DataFeedWatch account to analyze the metrics. Make adjustments to your feeds as needed to optimize performance. By following these steps, you can effectively automate dropshipping metrics with DataFeedWatch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.